I know the emergency showers mainly for chemical spills in the lab, like if something dangerous gets on your skin. I don't know everything about it yet, but honestly, I'm the most excited to try it out, just to see how intense it really is. I expect to learn how to respond quickly in emergencies, like chemical spills, and follow proper safety procedures in the lab. These skills will help me stay calm, handle emergencies confidently, and work safely in any professional environment.